Hey there! Welcome to our guide on how to receive crypto payments on Binance. Want to make receiving crypto payments on Binance super easy? Well, you're in the right place. I've got you covered with just 4 simple steps. Yes, you heard that right. Only 4 steps to get you started. First things first, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up and complete the verification process. Once you're in, head over to the Funding Wallet page. This is where all your crypto transactions will be managed. You can find it in the Wallet drop-down menu at the top. It's pretty straightforward. Next, you'll want to click on Receive. This is the button that will allow you to accept crypto payments. If you're using the Binance mobile app, just tap the Receive button in the User Center. Easy peasy. The mobile app is just as user-friendly as the desktop version. Now this is where it gets fun. You're almost there. Share the provided QR code with the person sending you crypto. This QR code is unique to your account and ensures the funds go directly to you. They can scan it, and you're good to go. It's as simple as scanning a barcode at the store. Or, if you prefer, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive and specify the amount. It's that simple. This option gives you more control over the transaction. And here's a little bonus tip. You can include a personalized note. This can be really handy for keeping track of your transactions. Maybe a thank you message or a reference number. Personal touches can make a big difference, just to keep things organized. So let's recap. Log in, go to Funding Wallet, click Receive, share the QR code or specify the crypto and amount, and optionally, add a note. That's it. These steps are designed to be as simple and efficient as possible. You're all set to receive crypto payments on Binance like a pro. With these steps, you'll be handling crypto transactions with ease. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips. Happy trading!